So how do you shoot 4K video on your Android phone? Let's get started and let me explain it all in this video. So if you are new here on Foxtecc, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So the important part is that your phone and the camera hardware built into this has to support it, which is usually the case now, right? Most Android phones have the 4K camera built in. So then the next important part is to actually enable it properly in your camera app. So I would open up the camera, naturally switch from the photo mode to the video mode, and at the top I have the resolution. So for me, it might say the HD, FHD, UHD, or 8K. So interestingly enough, it doesn't even mention that the 4K, like the number 4 is not there. So that might confuse somebody, but it is the UHD. So it's called like the ultra high definition, right? The FHD stands for full HD, which is the 1080p, and HD is likely the 720p. And 8K is mostly a gimmick nowadays. I personally never use it, so it depends, right? But you can also switch to the 8K, even though it's gonna be much higher in the like storage department. Like the videos are gonna be much larger, and there are very few screens which actually support the 8K, so it doesn't really make sense. Right, but the 4K is basically the UHD, so you can switch it like that. One more thing though, you can also switch to the more option, and I also go to the professional mode inside of my camera where I can as well just change the resolution, but I have like more control over it, right? So I have things like the manual focus and manual exposure, and this doesn't change the resolution or anything, but it can make the 4K videos even higher quality. So that's all I wanted to explain to you in this video. Let me know what you think about that below. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you in the next one. So stay tuned and I'll see you later.